Hey Dreamers! Today we are reviewing Smart's Toy LED lamp on Amazon, so you can go check them out on Amazon and Instagram. Smart's Toy, so go check them out. And this is a DIY LED lamp, so you can color whatever color you want. Here goes the batteries.
Okay, now we're going to open it.
And you need AA batteries
That's double A
for
batteries.
this. You don't have to use Duracell. We just have Duracell. Don't cut yourself up. So you won't cut yourself. Put your hand on the side. So you won't cut yourself.
This is a really cute lamp.
Yeah.
It's going to be
I like how you can color it yourself.
Yeah. That's cool.
Okay. Now here's the colors. Oh, this is it. Here's the coloring things. There is yellow, purple, blue, and pink.
Nice.
And there's a little thing to go with it.
That's for
That's the battery
Yeah,
pack.
it's the battery pack. And this is the thing where you color it with. This little thing right there. So we're going to open it and
that up.
see.
Open it on the back. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. First, we are going to get out this.
Battery pack.
Whoa.
There's the lights.
Yeah.
And here are the colors, guys. They're so pretty. I think I'll use blue and purple the most. Because it's just so pretty.
Yeah. How do you open that? That's cool.
And those are called window paints.
Yeah.
Wait, can you? Oh!
You gotta color it first. You can't snap it.
I know.
You gotta snap it to the back.
To the back. Oh, yeah.
Whoa, you can see the lights
Yeah.
already.
You have to color it first.
Look at that.
Oh.
They changed colors.
Wow.
Watch
Did
it
they
change another
change?
Watch
Yeah.
it. Oh, and now it's blue.
Awesome. Those are
Wow.
bright too.
Okay, guys.
That's
I'm going to
nice.
see if I'm going to start coloring. First, I'm going to use some blue. The little blue. Are these markers?
No,
Like paint.
they're paints.
It's like paint.
Which side do I put it on? This one?
No. The other side. How do you know?
There.
You all can paint a little bit of it.
Here, put it in the middle so we can all paint.
Pink. Who knows anything pink? I love pink. And
I'm
frog. And you can see Jenna's cotton candy butterfly. Yeah. And make sure not to color it too thick because it will
Run.
run and it won't shine through as much. So this is dry. So we're going to turn off the lights and see how it looks.
Ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa!
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that is
Wow!
Isn't that
I
awesome?
like it.
Yes.
It's like a nightlight.
It's like a nightlight. Can you guys see my hand? Can you guys?
No.
That's really pretty.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think,
Really
guys?
pretty. I
Cool.
love
It's
it.
awesome.
You love it?
Yeah.
It's like it's good for a nightlight when you're sleeping.
Yeah. That'll be really soothing.
Yeah, because it changes colors and that's awesome.
It's kind of bumpy because we kind of use a little bit.
Too much.
What do y'all say to Smarts Toy?
Thank
you.
you. And this is a really good product.
Hey.
Check them out at Smarts Toy on Instagram and Amazon. So go check this out. This is a really good product, and they have other products. So go check them out. And yeah.
Y'all do you think?
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and dream big and dab bigger. We love